pretty scared.
Well, then how about you put him somewhere?
Like where?
Upstairs. You could put him in the garage.
I think it's gonna make him more nervous. Why would you put him in the garage?
Millie's like, give me back my burb.
Really?
Yes, probably.
It's like I said.
Give me my burb. I want my bird. Bird's like, no.
What do you want to do, little guy? Can you fly?
If you can't fly, you can just put him upstairs or somewhere. No, don't try to drop him.
I'm not. I'm seeing if you'll- What do I do with you?
Bro, stop videoing.
Tiger 20 times your size, size of this house.
Uh-oh.
Oh no, another cat.
What do I do with you, buddy?
He's like, you throw me into the pond with the ducks because I am made to be one of them. It was my dream. He's like, stop it.
He's so small.
He looks so depressed.
I don't think he can fly, but why would he land when I would expect stop videoing.
There's a kitty. It's the kitty.
I wouldn't let it sit there because the cat's going.
Put him inside. Your hands are dirty now.
No. Stop video.
He's like, I don't know what to do.
It's PTSD.
No, but can we bring it inside?
We can put him inside. We just need to find a place.
I want to find a place.
Can we put him upstairs?
I want to try something, guys.
You want to get changed into a shirt and sweaty? You want to sit here and watch it?
Sure. Special happy birthday to Emily because it's her birthday today, April 7th. And workers are also coming to work on the barn today. Probably be done in 3 weeks. Yeah. 5 minutes later.
Is he cold?
1 minute later.
1 minute.
Don't step on it. So you think it did not fly away? Well, no, it did, but... Huh.